adding too many ingredients into slime. Barbie edition. First up, eyelashes. Barbie always has her makeup on point, so I'm gonna be adding her very own eyelashes into this clear slime.
But first, I had to take all of the eyelashes out of their packaging, which took a while.
I don't know what other beauty product we could possibly use in slime. We've done it all. We've done eyeshadow, nail polish, foundation. I can't think of anything else, so if you guys have any suggestions, I will do them, so leave a comment down below. These look like little caterpillars, guys. They're so wispy. This looks really strange, but kind of in a good way. Here we have the last Barbie eyelash. It's time to mix. Whoa, it looks so strange as they're like falling. It's kind of like an eyelash waterfall. I'm not gonna lie. This looks really creepy. It just looks like I put a bunch of black caterpillars in a slime. And I think I added too much slime because I can't feel the eyelashes anymore. There's gotta be some kind of phobia related to this kind of slime. Eyelash phobia or something. It's like a hairball. The contrast is kind of cool with the colors. We have some gray, some black, you know, some white. But I think I'm starting to develop some eyelash phobia. Let's move on to the next one. I have a feeling that Barbie showers with all things pink. So we have pink shampoo. Barbie's hair is always so luscious, so sleek and healthy. I actually have a friend that's friends with Barbie, and they told me this is the exact shampoo she uses. We're gonna add the entire bottle because I'm trying to make a giant Barbie hair shampoo slime. We have to add the whole thing. Wow, it smells so good, guys. I feel like this is exactly what Barbie's hair smells like. That's the entire bottle. It's time to mix. Wow, this feels so nice on my hands and it smells amazing. But it's honestly melting the slime back into glue. Let's see if we can just turn this into a regular pink slime. So I have a bowl of activator right here and I'm just gonna drop her in. Ready? Let's see if this can activate our slime. I feel like it doesn't even need that much. Guys, it's happening. We're starting to make pink guts. It's definitely activating my slime. The water's getting super soapy and the texture is so strange. All right, let's take it out and find out if we have pink guts or slime. I honestly could have saved this slime. Had I not put it in activator, it would have not been like this. Now we just have pink guts. As you can see, guys, you never know what you're gonna get when you add too many ingredients into slime. We'll let this slime dry out for a bit. And for now, let's move on to the next one. Barbie has a lot of stuff. She has a Barbie dream house, a boat, a car, which means she probably has a really high net worth, and to represent that, we have some diamonds. I got diamonds in all different sizes. We have a giant diamond, we have some medium-sized diamonds, and some really, really tiny little ones. We're gonna add all of these diamonds into our slime. We're starting off with the giant ones. It's already looking so sparkly with how the light hits it, and we need to add too many, so let's just add all of our diamonds. Oh my gosh, guys, it's literally raining diamonds over here. I think this slime completely destroys Christian's most expensive slime. I mean, it has like 1 million diamonds in here. This is a world record. It's time to mix. Let's see how it looks in the light. Before I even mix it anymore, right now it has like a really nice consistency with the clear slime, and you can see all of the diamonds just like popping out. It's like one giant uncut diamond. I think this is my favorite slime that I've created. It's so glamorous, and I love seeing all the crystals just fall like when I stretch it. And talking about glamorous slimes, we have a bunch of amazing slimes coming up on this week's restock on Peachybbies.com. There's so many different options to choose from. I really think there's something for everybody. And we restock this Friday at 7 p.m., so don't miss it. This slime screams Barbie. I'm pretty sure she has so many of these already, but comment down below if you think I should send it to her. Let's put this slime somewhere safe and move on to the next one. Next up, we're gonna be adding too much clay into slime, but we're gonna need a lot more than this. That's more like it. But now we have to get some dye because I want to make the world's clayest pink Barbie slime. I want to add all the pinks. So we're getting fuchsia, deep pink, some rose pink, some neon bright pink, bubble pink pigment, and peachy pink pigment, all the pigments. All right, I got my apron on. We're gonna get messy and start off with the pigments. I'm adding a ton of bubblegum pink, peachy pink, and now we're doing dyes. So we're starting off with rose pink. Now we have deep pink. And now we have neon bright pink. Last but not least, fuchsia. This is a lot of dye, guys. It's gonna be one giant pink slime. Not only are we adding too much clay to the slime, but I think we're adding too much dye. All right, guys, it's time to go crazy. My favorite part is always a nice squish. This is gonna be a workout, guys. There's so much slime and so much clay. Oh, my glove, bro. All right, guys, I think it's time to just start punching it. I'm pretty sure this is the most clay I've ever added to a slime here at Peachybbies, because this is just like 99% clay, 1% slime at this point. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but once we mix it all in, I think it's gonna be beautiful. After all that mixing, I think we came up with a beautiful pink slime. It's perfect. The texture feels amazing. With all the clay that we added, it's not sticky at all. I love this giant pink slime. I was a bit nervous when we added all of those ingredients, but I think that it made for a beautiful color. This is a perfect Barbie slime. So for this next one, we're gonna be adding every single pink charm that we have here at the Peachybbies warehouse. So we have to make a trip to Charmville. Cue the pink Barbie montage. Last but not least, our most iconic charm, Baby Axolotl. All right, guys, here we have all of the pink charms that we have at the Peachybbies warehouse. Let's pour them in. It's crazy how all of these charms are pink, but there's so many kinds of shapes, themes, shades of pink. All right, let's mix. This slime is gonna be so crunchy with these charms. Yeah, this slime is super dense, super pink, and it's super pretty, but it's honestly hard to play with. I'd give this slime a solid 7 out of 10. I'd say too many charms in slime always gets really crunchy and not very fun to play with, but it looks really pretty. For the next texture, we're doing something that we've never done before, so let's get on to it. For this last one, don't get mad at me, Barbie, but I raided your closet and I stole everything that I could find. We got a good selection of shoes, especially these. Dang, Barbie, you're wild. We got some nice selection of dresses. This one right here is my favorite. Look at all the little fishies. All right, we're gonna start off with your glasses. Again, I don't know why you have 4 pairs of the same glasses, but just gonna place them around here. And then we're gonna be doing your hangers. I love that your hangers are heart-shaped, super cute. And now your diamond necklaces. Now your shoes. All right, now let's do the dresses. Now that we put Barbie's entire wardrobe into slime, let's mix it up. This actually looks so fun, guys. Look at the shoe. It looks so funny. I love that Barbie's wardrobe is so fun and colorful, which is making for a really nice, bright slime. The texture kind of feels like when you add flower charms into slime, like those soft ones, because it just kind of takes up space, but feels kind of soft. Yeah, it has that fabric-y feel. Tell you what, if this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll make Barbie some new clothes out of slime to replace these ones. Yeah, adding too many Barbie clothes into slime is pretty fun. I'd give it a 8 out of 10. And now for the best part. Let's mix these all together. It's a Barbie sandwich. Also, we need to top it off with my favorite slime, our diamond slime. Honestly, the pink slime is just overpowering all of these slimes, but it still looks pretty. It's still giving Barbie. Now our perfectly pink clay slime has a bunch of charms and textures to it, so it's basically ruined now. Comment which slime was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next week. And Barbie, I'm sorry about your clothes. Please don't come after me.